working in this industry for a couple years now. Um, just a few, right?
Just a few, yeah.
What changes have you seen for better and for worse within the maintenance reliability space over the past couple years?
Well, I think for better, we've grown to understand more of the need and how to develop maintenance strategies, how to implement them. I think all that knowledge is out there. So that's been a plus. But on the minus side, with an aging workforce and companies cutting training budgets and cutting apprenticeship programs and those types of things, we're losing skill sets at the same time. So a lot of places are starting again at ground zero. So with all this knowledge out there, internet, technology, all these things, we're still way behind the curve as a majority. Now, there are great companies doing great things, but at the vast majority, they're not there.
How can we get better to solve and address that gap?
That's something I wrestle with myself. I mean, for me, it's just sharing my knowledge and trying to make people better. Really, you can only do it one person at a time. So, um, again, it's difficult. If I had the answer, I guess that would be my niche, and I'd be making some money out of it, right? But and I think with the changes in generations and some of the differences there, I think it makes it a bit of a struggle as well. Um, so I don't know. I really wish I had an answer.